y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Leanne Anderson. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows. Yes, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are new here. So let's get into the video. So firstly, I'm using this black opal eyebrow pencil, and I'll use the black color pencil to draw my eyebrows. And what I'm doing is I'm following the shape of my own eyebrows. Now, I would advise you to try and follow your own eyebrow shape and make sure you don't make them too thick. Now I'm using my pencil and I'm filling in, or in other words, coloring in my eyebrows. Next, I'm using this eyebrow brush, and I'm just brushing my eyebrows just to kind of blend everything together. Next, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer to kind of conceal and to shape my eyebrows and to fix any mistakes. Like, as you can see, I made the eyebrows a little bit too thick, so I want to use this concealer to just help me out to fix them and to shape them well. You really want to make sure you apply enough concealer so that it really covers and shapes your eyebrows really well. Now I'm using this brush and I'm just using it to just blend the concealer, and I'm gonna just do it nicely underneath my eyebrows and properly shape them as well, just to make them look good and neat as well. And this is the final look, everyone. Yes, looking neat and amazing. Yes, I hope this helped y'all guys how to do your eyebrows. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.